Assalamualaikum kids, this is Kanita and today we will learn about 3D shapes. So let's get started. First of all, we need to understand what does the D in 3D stands for. The D in 3D stands for dimension. But the question is, what is dimension? A dimension is basically the measurement of the length, width, and height of anything. Let's see how can we define these shapes. The first shape we have here is a sphere. Can you say sphere? Good job. A sphere is round. It has no face. It has curved surface and no edges. The second shape we have here is a cone. Can you say cone? Excellent. A cone has circular base, curved sides, and a vertex. A vertex is the highest point. The third shape we have here is a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Perfect. A cylinder is a round object. It has curved surface and two faces on each side. The fourth shape we have here is a cuboid. Can you say cuboid? Bravo! A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners, which are also known as vertices. The last shape we have here is a cube. A cube. Can you say cube? Good job. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Corners are also known as vertices. Oh look, there's a quick quiz. Let's see how many shapes you can identify. The first shape we have here is of a dice. What is the shape of a dice? Yes, the dice has a shape of a cube. What is the shape of the earth? Can you guess? Yes, the earth has sphere shape. What is the shape of a beaker? A beaker. What is the shape? It has a cylinder shape. Well done. What is the shape of ice cream? Can you guess? Yes, it has a cone shape. Let's see, what do we have here? It's a paint bucket. What is its shape? It has a cylinder shape. Good job. What is the shape of a book? A book. What is its shape? Quickly. It's a cuboid. What else we have here? It's a football. What is the shape of a football? Can you guess? A football has a sphere shape. Well done! How many answers you got right? Let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.